Gauge the age, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, gauge the age. This phrase might sound simple, but it's packed with meaning and usage in everyday English. So, let's dive into what it means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Gauge the age is a phrase that means to estimate or guess someone's age. It's about making an informed assumption about how old someone might be based on their appearance, behavior, or other clues. This phrase combines two words, gauge, which means to measure or estimate, and age, which refers to how old someone is. Now that we know what it means, let's look at how to use it. You might hear someone say, "I'm trying to gauge the age of that actor." This means they are trying to guess how old the actor is. Another example could be, "Can you gauge the age of this antique vase?" Here, the person is asking for an estimate of how old the vase is. It's important to remember that when you're trying to gauge the age of someone or something, it's usually based on observation and not exact knowledge. This phrase is often used in casual conversations, but it can also appear in more professional settings like antiques dealing, where estimating the age of an item is crucial. A crucial point to remember is to use this phrase sensitively. When it comes to people, guessing someone's age can be a delicate matter. It's always good to use this phrase in a respectful and considerate way. And that's all about gauge the age. Now you know what it means, how to use it, and even the importance of being culturally sensitive with it. I hope you found this video helpful and interesting. Keep practicing, and you'll be gauging ages like a pro in no time. See you in the next video.